And I just wanted to talk to you briefly about banks and crypto. And well, one of the things that's going on is that a lot of banks are advising against crypto scams, and they don't define that. And I heard that some people have found that in their back office, in their online banking, that banks are advising against buying crypto. And meanwhile, look at what's happening. A slew of big banks are offering wealth management clients exposure to crypto in 2021. I'm sure in 2022 and 23 also. So behind the scenes, they're purchasing crypto. And as we all know, that Bitcoin ETF is going to get approved. I think it's JP Morgan that's offering it to clients. So one of the things that, yeah, here it is, JP Morgan and Wells Fargo. Okay, so, you know, they're doing what they're advising you not to do as a retail investor. And for sure, you know, I was talking to a financial advisor, you know, my own today, and she said, you know, it's risky business doing, you know, certain types of investing, and crypto is one of them. And so, you know, I will advise you not to chase after scams or programs where, and you see it in my comments, not on every single video, but I would say every third video, there's someone commenting that they've invested with so-and-so over on Telegram. Please get in touch with her. My advice to you is to make sure you do your research. Find out if it's a brokerage firm, where it's based, what they're doing with your money. Do they have cash stores to prevent one person from making a bad crypto trade and losing all of your cash? This happens. So make sure you do your research if you're going to involve yourself with one of those things. Because in the comments I have seen, oh, since I met so-and-so, I've put in 10,000 and within 3 weeks it was, you know, triple that or even more sometimes I see. And listen, nothing, you know, sometimes those things that are too good to be true are too good to be true. And maybe they do pay out the first time, the second time, and third time. However, there are programs that I have heard about in the past where, you know, it's that fourth time or maybe even the 10th time when you put a lot of money in there and suddenly they're poof, gone. So make sure you know what you're doing when you're investing your crypto, because that is the big thing about it. Once you send it, it's very difficult, very, very difficult to get it back. And so if you don't know who you're sending it to, it might be just poof, gone. So my point today is that banks are investing in cryptocurrency. So if you're wanting to get your feet wet and get in there, and just know that it's, you know, yeah, it's a risky investment like any other. But where there's great risk, there's great reward. So just educate yourself a little bit. I have a lot of videos up, how to open an exchange. All my links to all those exchanges and Ledger Wallet are in the description box below. So, you know, make sure you take advantage of learning about what it is that you want to do. I never recommend any particular coin. I am deeply involved in XRP, XLM, XDC. However, that doesn't mean that you should until you do your own research. And I do have a few videos up on how to do research, why XRP is the most misunderstood altcoin out there. There's several. Take a look through all of my videos. Play the ones that are intriguing to you. If you're a brand newbie, watch the how-to videos and, you know, just check it out. Make sure you know what you're doing a little bit, or schedule a one-on-one session with me. You can email me at zendevon@gmail.com. Please put crypto in all uppercase letters in the subject line, so I make sure that I see that. I get a lot of emails and I don't want to miss yours. And on that note, I'm just going to wrap this up. This is a quick one today. So thanks for being with me. Love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.